today I'll be walking you through how to take a backup in iRecord. So we usually recommend everyone to take a backup on a periodic basis because the custody of the database is with the users. We do not hold any responsibility if your system crashes, if your database is not available, in case something malfunction happens with your desktop or laptop. So we highly request and recommend everyone to please take a backup either in your Google Drive, OneDrive, or a pen drive. So to take a backup manually, you'll have to come to the section in the menu called backup and database backup, the first menu option. Once you click on it, search a tab bar will open up. Here you'll have to click on this yellow search icon. Search where you will want to take a backup. So usually either you could take a folder that you have created on the desktop, or you could also go to this PC, your local folder, and here we have iRecord, or where you can take a backup or create a separate backup folder for your own safety. So once you select the path where you want to take a backup, simply you can click on backup button and your backup is running in background. And once it is done,